In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books. If you're managing a business and need to keep an eye on your products and stock levels, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in and make your inventory tracking process more efficient. First, let's begin by creating a new inventory item. From the main menu in Zoho Books, navigate to the Items module on the left sidebar. This is where you'll manage everything related to your products. Once there, you'll notice a plus new button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new window for creating your item. Since we'll be dealing with physical products, select Goods as the item type. It's important to keep track of your inventory, so make sure to check the box labeled Track Inventory for this item. This enables Zoho Books to automatically monitor changes to your stock levels whenever you record sales or purchases. Now that you've initialized your new item, let's move on to filling in the item details. Begin by entering the name of your item. This should be a clear and concise description so you can easily identify it later. Next, in the sales information section, you'll want to add the sales rate, the relevant account, and a short description. This helps in recording sales transactions accurately. Similarly, under purchase information, fill out the purchase rate, account such as cost of goods sold, and include a description. This ensures clarity when you're documenting purchase transactions. Moving on to the inventory information section, you need to make a few critical selections. Choose the inventory account, which is where you'll track the item's inventory. A common choice would be inventory asset. Then, for opening stock, enter the quantity of the item you currently have on hand. Right next to it, you'll see opening stock rate per unit. This is where you input the cost of each unit of stock you have. An essential part of inventory management is making sure you don't run out of stock unexpectedly, so set a reorder point. This is a minimum stock level at which you'll receive a notification to restock the item. If you have a preferred vendor, go ahead and specify them here. This can simplify future purchases as you'll already have your vendor information on hand. Don't forget any other relevant details. This might include product codes, images for easier identification, or units of measurement to maintain consistency. Once all the details are entered and double-checked, go ahead and click Save. With this, you've successfully created an item in Zoho Books. From now on, Zoho Books will automatically track the inventory for this item as you record sales and purchase transactions. This automation helps keep your records accurate and up to date. And that's it. You've now streamlined the process of managing your inventory with Zoho Books, making it easier for you to focus on growing your business.